day is November. What is today? The 17th? 18th?
18.
And Maggie has...
Jacob, it was me.
Okay, Sam, this video is not about you today. And Maggie is walking really well. So we're going to see Maggie walk. Okay. No, not yet. Okay, ready? Ready, Maggie?
Jacob.
Let's walk.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, here.
Come on, Mama.
Mommy, get Maggie.
Come on, Maggie.
Get her.
Okay, Sam. Okay, all right. Whoop.
Oh.
All right, come here, Momo.
Come on, Maggie. Walk to Daddy.
You know, walk to Daddy?
Daddy.
Oh, try again, Mommy.
Walk to Daddy.
Come here,
Daddy.
Maggie.
Go see Daddy.
Yay, Momo, you're doing it. Yay.
Mommy,
Yay.
I'm missing a turtle piece.
You walked.